New York is never stopping. New York is like molecules bouncing or atoms bouncing around. People come, people go, people travel in and out, and that kind of kinetic energy is imbued in the people who live here. I've lived in New York for 10 years, and I know that everyone who's been here for even 3 or 4 years or more has an energy about them that's about, who are you? What's your deal? I want to understand you, and I know that we're all sharing something together on this planet.
There really is a truth to the city that never sleeps. I've seen things here that you can't see anywhere else. And I've seen, anything from the smallest basement production of a ragtag, one-off theater piece to the Metropolitan Opera, a grand staging of opera.
I love that about an hour outside of the city, you can find a lot of beautiful hiking trails. There's so much beauty within the city as well in terms of nature and museums and just culture and everybody just kind of moving together in one big soup. It's just like there's endless inspiration here. It's really hard pressed to not find something inspiring about the city. But I love it.
There really is something for everyone here, and there's something for every level here, and it's not gonna be like anything else you'll experience.